In this video, you'll learn how to translate languages using Kimi AI. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to input text and receive translations efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see the Kimi AI interface, which features a clean layout designed for ease of use. Next, locate the text area where you can input your text. This is typically positioned prominently on the main screen. If you are unsure, look for a prompt that invites you to type or paste your text. If this is your first time using the service, familiarize yourself with the user interface. After that, you will need some text to translate. You can either type directly into the input area or copy a paragraph from another source. A common option is to use Lorem text for testing. If you choose to use Lorem, visit a Lorem generator website, copy a sample paragraph, and return to the Kimi AI interface. Once you have your paragraph copied, return to Kimi AI. In the text input area, paste the paragraph you copied. Ensure that the text appears correctly in the input box. If you encounter any issues with pasting, verify that your clipboard is functioning properly. Next, after pasting the text, look for the Enter key on your keyboard. Press this key to submit your text for translation. A brief loading indicator may appear while the system processes your request, indicating that your input has been successfully received. Wait for Kimi AI to generate the translation. This process may take a few moments, depending on the complexity of the text and the current load on the server. Be patient as the application prepares your output. After the translation has been generated, you will see the translated text appear in the designated output area. At this point, you can review the translation to ensure it meets your needs. If you wish to translate additional text, you can repeat the previous. To refine your translation requests, you can type specific instructions such as translate this text into Mandarin. Again, press the Enter key to submit your new request. The system will process this command similarly to the previous one. Finally, wait for the new translation to generate. The response time may vary based on the length of the text and server conditions. Once the translation appears, you can copy it for your use or continue experimenting with other texts. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.